going into surgery. I'm a bit scared. Public service announcement. When I was dying, from 2019 all the way to 2023, no one was telling me how to live. So when you see me living the way that I know how to, no disrespect, and maybe a little. Don't call me with your religious holy self like I don't know God, telling me how you think, who I should be, what I should do, where I should be doing, where I should be going. I've had a lot of that in my life, and all it led to is self-destruction. So let me be free. God bless.
Murder, she wrote. Murder, she wrote.
Action. So hey, you girl in the tight up skirt. You make me swell till my blood vessel burst.
I want a dude with the wickedest slam. I need a 1, 2, 3, how a man. If you want me to stay, I'll never.
So, from you never lie with another man in a bed. Tell them it's a nothing no go. So shit.
Don't walk, you don't try. You supposed to be giant. You look like you don't pass it, I we don't mind.
When you know you're
I love my life. 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 None of we don't know where tomorrow might bring, cause the future the hours away. So me I live my life today. Me I live my life today. Yeah, so love me make me talk what I want for talk. Me have enough to say.
Before we start to turn it out, you must first begin to breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now drop, now drop, now drop, now drop. Breathe in, breathe out.
DJ Jamsey. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you right. All I care for the night. Happiness. If I broke down my business, I'ma show you right. Woke up this morning, got up out of my bed. I looked around, this is what I said. Thank you, Lord, for another day. All the blessings just in my way.
I'm addicted, like DJ Love, addicted. I'm addicted, I'm addicted.
Murder, she wrote. Murder, she wrote.
Action. So hey, you.
Voilà la partie.
Now be a sing keg, tell them it's a nothing no go so. And you know shape cookie like the alphabet a letter Z. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. Them not call you no pigeon and no chicken head. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. And them a way you there with and beat you like egg. Tell them it's a nothing.
We don't cast, last, Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh.
Surprise them with a bang bang, left them with a bing bing. Everything my sing sing is a hit ting ting. Tongue a Frankie my vice pan the rhythm dim. Bad mind coulda never stop my thing. Them say I did a one, but me still a win. Now makes them me I do me own thing. Me not too like the show boating, but the dumb money dog, yo keep me floating. Watch
Post a video if you feel pretty, girl. Yeah. Even when your face beat, pretty girl. Yeah. Make them know you're a real pretty girl. You and your two friends that are three pretty girl. Nice. Pretty girl.
Somebody say that your boyfriend's looking for me. Ooh, that's cool. That's cool. Well, you should know I'm pretty easy to find. Just look for me wherever he sees you. I go wherever you go. All night, speaking on the phone, but cheating. She have a man, she wanna leave it.
Hey, Miss Fatty Fatty, you a murder. Millie love it the way you twist and a turn up. Hotter than lava, my girl, you a burn up. A nice a girl, you be never ever.
What's going on, beautiful people? Let's do the cha-cha slide, Afrobeat style. Are you ready? Let's go. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Right foot, let's go. Left foot, let's go. Crisscross, 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 crisscross. Are you ready? Cha-cha, let's go. Aji, go go, gaga, cha-cha. Give it.
Even if you were a million miles away, I can still feel you in my bed. Near me, touch me, feel me. And even at the bottom of the sea, I can still hear inside my head telling me, touch me, feel me. And all the time you were telling me lies. So tonight
I'm feeling fantastic, head up in the clouds. So enthusiastic, jumping up and down. Quit being dramatic, let it smile out. I'm blocking out the static, trying to get me like. Can't let the evil take up all my energy. The friends I thought I had were really enemies. I'm only around the ones that want the best for me. Yeah, it shows and they know I'ma drive it like a Scarlet. I'ma keep the
What's the point of this video? The point of this video is leave me alone. Let me figure my life out the way I know how to. Dancing is in my blood, it's in my soul. I'm a dance whether you like it or not. I'm a dress however you like it or not. I'm a dress. I'm a be who I choose to be. Period. And I want to say thank you to those who've always seen me and loved me as I am. Thank you. As I change, as I evolve, as I find out who I really am without the perception and the objection and opinions of those who want to tweak me and turn me into who they want me to be. As I find me, as I search and I truly embrace and find me, allow me, allow me. Don't call me telling me who you think I should be. I've had enough of that. And again, thank you to those who have always allowed me to be me, whatever that looked like. Light and love.